pond again. See if we can't find some fish. I haven't made a video in a while because fishing's been very slow. Started off the year with a bang. Let's go see if we can't make something happen. Kind of a chilly start to the morning. It's like 38 degrees out. Weather's been warming up lately, but we have a cold front moving in. It's supposed to drop down to 19, back down to the teens tomorrow. Hasn't done that in a few weeks. So it's either gonna lock them up or make them chew. Hopefully they're chewing. Brought a few different baits to try today. I'm going to try not to retie anything unless it needs to be retied. But I don't want to spend my day switching baits. I'm starting off with a crankbait, very dull color, kind of to replicate crawfish. I don't even know if there's any crawfish in here. We didn't get bit over there. We fished it for 3.5 hours. Not one single bite. Marked a bunch of fish, but couldn't find them what they wanted to eat. So we've come about 20 miles south to another one of my favorite spots. Hopefully we can figure them out here. It's picked up, warmed up to about 50, hovering right in that area. But the wind is also picked up. Which, if you've ever fished with me before, you know how much I like the wind. Absolutely hate it. Bugs are definitely out. Just got one behind my glasses. So the water temperature and the air temperature are pretty much exactly the same. I don't know if that's good or bad. really foul hook a perch. Now it's just a big perch. That is a fat yellow perch. He is hooked in the mouth. That is one fat, enormously fat yellow perch. See if I can get her mouth open here. She really doesn't want to open her mouth. Look at the belly on that fucking. That thing is huge. Alright, so this just turned into kind of the fun fishing trip that I wanted. Shut the camera off. I caught 3 more crappie, 2 more perch. So I figured I should turn it back on. Wind's really picking up now, it's cold. Oh, that one pulled back a little bit. And then surfed across the water. You know, finding crappie and perch almost every cast, but Camera wasn't on. But look at this beast. I love the red mouth. The red mouth is unbelievable. That is a beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at them red lips. Bye, big girl. It's so cool watching them swim. Boy, I wish I would have had that catch on camera. I actually asked the old guy if I could fish right next to where he was fishing with shiners, because I wasn't getting anything. And sure enough, she must have been smelling those shiners, because I dropped my bait down there. She smashed it. Just waiting for it to upload. I'm gonna pull over to this tree and try this tree. Another trip done. See you guys on the next one.